Hello everyone, welcome to Laksh Academy. Today let us learn 3 mark question in the real numbers chapter. So 3 mark, prove that root 5 is an irrational number. This is 3 mark question. You have to prove root 5 is an irrational number. So to prove root 5 is an irrational number, first step what you have to write means, let us assume that root 5 is a rational number. So you have to write this first step. You have to write, let us assume that root 5 is a rational number. If root 5 is a rational number, we can write root 5 equal to a by b. So root 5 equal to a by b, where a and b are co-prime integers and b not equal to 0. Okay, where a and b are co-prime integers and b not equal to 0. So first step you have to write this one. Later this b you transpose to LHS side, we can write root 5b equal to a. So root 5b equal to a. Now squaring on both the sides, so root 5b whole square equal to a square. So root 5, it will become 5b square equal to a square, or a square equal to 5b square. So this first step, until that you have to remember a square equal to 5b square. A square equal to 5b square. Now, so a square is divisible by 5. This implies a is also divisible by 5. Okay, so a square is divisible by 5 means a also, a square means a into a we can write. So a is also divisible by 5. Now let a equal to 5c. So root 5 is given, so that only we taken a equal to 5c. Suppose root 2 is given means a equal to 2c, like that you have to change the numbers and you have to write the same steps for this type of sums. Okay, now a equal to 5c. So whereas equation 1 you can remember a equal to 5b square. Now instead of a we have to write 5c. So a we have to write 5c, that means a whole square, 5c whole square equal to 5b square. Now 5 square it will be 5 into 5, 25 it will happen. So 5c square equal to 5b square. See, 5 square means you will write 5 into 5, that value is 25. That only 5 square value 25 is written. Now 5 you bring to LHS, so it will be divisible. So b square alone remains in the right hand side. Now we can 5 answer if you cancel. So you write 5c square equal to b square, or b square equal to 5c square. So this is equation 2 you have to remember. First equation 1 a equal to 5b square, equation 2 b square equal to 5c square. Yeah, b square equal to 5c square. Now b square is divisible by 5. This implies b is also divisible by 5. Okay, b square is divisible by 5 means b is also divisible by 5. Then what we can conclude up to this means, therefore 5 is a common factor for A and B. So 5 is a common factor for A and B. But A and B are co-prime integers. In the beginning we assumed A and B are co-prime integers, so that which contradict the fact. Okay, so our assumption was wrong. Which contradict the fact. We assumed it is a co-prime. So here we have 5 is a common factor for A and B. Our assumption was wrong. So our assumption was wrong because we assumed root 5 is a rational number. So for that, A and B are co-prime integers which contradict the fact. So our assumption became wrong. So therefore we can therefore root 5 is an irrational number. Okay, so like that we can able to complete that root 5 is an irrational number. That is an important 3-mark question. Okay, so let me know which of the chapter you like. Let me know in the comment section whichever the chapter is required, and you can watch more videos regarding board exams, 3-mark, 1-mark, MCQ, everyone. It will be uploaded few days later. So watch and subscribe it. Thank you.